Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been quite a while that I've vlogged my whole entire day, so here goes one for you all. So the morning was pretty slow because I woke up a little too early today. So I got freshened up and I was like all ready to go to my classes. और मैंने कल रात ही बैग पैक कर लिया था, so I didn't have to worry about that as well. And then in the kitchen मेरा lunch बन रहा था that my mama was making. Also guys, to tell you, ये मैंने जबरदस्ती उनको हटा के किया था just to shoot it. Okay then फिर मैंने अपना lunch पैक किया and we were like all set to go. तो ना मेरी क्लासेस होती है from 9 to 2 and I leave at around 8 o'clock and the only reason is that कि I don't want to take any chance of being late. तो मैंने जल्दी से बस अपना lunch box and water bottle अपने बैग में रखा and then I just left. Also guys, I see that a lot of you want to ask me so many questions regarding PW, so I have thought to answer them and I have a solution for that. So वो मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगी. Upon reaching class, मेरा पहला class इस दिन maths का था, तो वो खत्म हुआ and then we get like a 15 minutes of break. And the best part about the break is obviously having our lunch. Then at around 2 we get free, हमारी छुट्टी हो जाती है and then it's the time to get back home. So I just rushed back home and coming back I'm like so exhausted that I can't even process myself. मैं जल्दी जल्दी change करती हूँ and then I just go and grab my lunch because by the time I get back it's already like 3 and I'm like so super hungry.
Eternity later.
And then my ritual of taking a nap just continues forever, but this day I slept like very less to be honest. So I got up at around 4:30 and I really didn't want to waste any further of the time, so मैंने सोचा let's just sit down to study. And obviously the very first thing that I did was to make a to-do list. सबसे पहले मैं बैठी थी maths लेकर के, I had to solve questions and also do some notes का काम. चलो now let's talk a while the time I'm studying. So it's been a month that I have been a 12th grader and if I would describe it in a word then that would be exhausting. Now this I'm saying in all possible ways, may it be mentally, physically, but yeah, one thing that can get me down is definitely a cup of nice cold coffee, and that is what exactly I just went to make right in between my study session. So yeah, for me 1 month of 12 so far has been exhausting and hectic because we have got like back-to-back works to complete. Also one thing that I'm always reminding myself is that I really don't want to repeat my mistakes that I had done in class 11 because this time I feel that we really cannot afford it. You know, most of us including me face one single problem and that is being consistent towards our studies. So I feel that studying is not such a huge task, but maintaining that consistency, like every single day doing the same thing, is what makes it difficult, and that is where I feel that we all fail at. And you know what, convincing ourselves to just sit and start studying I feel is the toughest part. But you know what, this time we have got like a lot on our plate, so we really cannot give up. So I'm pretty sure that we will be making and figuring it out some way. So this was like a productive study session. At around 7:30 I was like feeling so damn hot. The temperature here has literally gone insane. By the way, all the products are not at all sponsored. The only solution that I found out was taking a shower, and then I was just doing my skincare, made me feel like so much better. And this is the one thing that I've figured out so far, that when I feel like doing nothing, I just go and get myself freshen up. And trust me, this really helps. So I've got like these clothes to fold. So we're gonna be folding this and putting it at their places. So let's go. Okay, so right after completing all of my works, I just sat down to study again. This time I just sat down with some physics because I thought that I'll be covering all the 3 subjects today. One more thing that I've seen, that making videos also motivates me a lot of time to sit down and study. And I just end up being more and more productive as compared to other days. And these days I post a lot of short videos, so if you haven't already watched it, then make sure you go and check them out. Also, one more thing that I've noticed, that shorts pe I want to convey a lot of things, but obviously due to the time duration I cannot. Also guys, I was like thinking to make a Q&A video, but then a better idea struck me, and that is going live. I feel that this way I will be able to address and answer more of your questions. So do let me know that in the comments, that do you want a Q&A live video or not. Acha, if you are wondering that what am I studying, so I was like revising all of my notes. Hi guys, so I'm studying physics right now and it's going like a productive study session. I still have a few more things to revise, and after that I think I'll be doing some NCERT का reading, जिस पे बहुत ज़्यादा विवाद हुआ था for some reason, and I'll be talking about that as well. Let's first complete the notes. Okay, so talking about the vivad regarding the NCERT ka reading thing, see, I totally respect everybody's perspective about how to study and what material to study, and I really don't want to impose anything that I do to you all. Let me first take you a little to the track. Basically, a few people told me that why do you even study physics ka NCERT, it's like so useless. I know a lot of you are like very much serious about your competitive preparation, and for that I feel that NCERT may be a little down for the questions level, but we shouldn't really forget that we also have to give our board exams, and for that reason I feel that cracking the language is like very much important. Like as we all saw that last year physics question paper was all logical. And yeah, one more thing, that my teacher has advised me to go through NCERT time to time, and that's just gonna be helpful. So this was like my perspective. I'm not at all imposing it to you all. You can completely follow whatever you feel like. Okay, now coming back to the video, I was like done with my physics study session. So I'm just done with physics at this point, and I've got to realize that so much physics is just not enough physics. So we are not going to be doing any more physics right now. So we will be doing some chemistry, and I think I'll be done for the day. I had to go with one last subject, that was chemistry, because today I had decided that I will be covering all the 3 subjects. I even had my physical chemistry ka class tomorrow, so I had to anyway go through the notes. As if now I don't really have any backlog, touch wood, but that's just because I have been attending my classes regularly. I've been even trying to solve the questions time to time and basically complete all my homework. And also guys, this month I'll be having 2 exams. One is on 19th of May and the other one is on 26th. So it's basically the coaching test that we all have. Okay, then with chemistry being done, I was done with all the tasks that I had to complete for the day, and I was like so super happy because it was comparatively a very productive day. Lastly, मैंने थोड़ा सा ice cream खाया just to end my day on a good note, and chocolate ice cream is my favorite. If you're watching till here, then comment below your favorite ice cream flavor and I'll be knowing that you are the one. Okay then, chalo, bye bye.